Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the bar exam. First, establish a comprehensive study plan. Dedicate a minimum of 8 to 10 hours daily, 6 days a week, for several months. Prioritize subjects where you feel less confident, perhaps allocating an extra 1 to 2 hours per week to those areas. Ensure you have all required textbooks, outlines, and practice questions readily available before you begin. Next, focus on active learning. Don't just read, create your own outlines and flashcards to reinforce concepts. Aim to complete at least 2,000 multiple-choice questions, carefully analyzing each answer, whether correct or incorrect. Practice writing essays and performance tests under strict time limits, such as 30 minutes per essay, to build speed and accuracy. Consistent practice is key to mastering the exam format. Effective memorization is crucial for success. Dedicate time daily to commit essential legal rules and their exceptions to memory. Employ spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals to solidify your understanding over time. Regularly revisit your self-made outlines and condensed summaries. Consider joining a small study group to discuss challenging topics and quiz each other, which can enhance recall and clarify difficult points. Finally, prepare for exam day. Take at least 3 full-length simulated bar exams to build stamina and identify areas for improvement in your test-taking strategy. In the final weeks, prioritize adequate sleep and healthy nutrition to maintain peak mental performance. On exam day, arrive early, bring all required materials, and stay calm. Trust in your preparation and focus on one question at a time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.